No, I didn't. A little bit of background. Chatting with one of the club members today, and we realised we haven't really got any road cars in our club. So we were looking at buy others, and then I went the cheap route and figured I've got enough spares knocking around. I might just turn my short course into an on-road car. I don't know how this is going to end, but I don't think it's going to be well. I gave it a little blast not too long ago. Was scared to get full throttle on the bench. In fact, I didn't. And it's been the first car I've done any modifications to where I didn't want to go full throttle with it on the bench. Let's see if I'm brave enough now. Nope, I didn't. That was not even half throttle, folks. Nope. We're gonna have to wait for the road. I don't know what to say. I couldn't do it. When that thing goes full throttle, I want it as far away from me as possible.
Here we are with the Fun Club, short course come chuggy come drift car, which is an associated SC10 with some buggy slicks on there and a decent sized TP power motor in there, which I think is going to have this wheel spinning like crazy. I'm making a perfect little drift car. There's loads of good there still. Oh my goodness, the tyres. They're actually getting very sticky. Now the ESC's come off. pinions come off or eaten itself. So, oh, it's destroyed, I think, the centre diff. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look. Wow. Oh well. Take that home. See what damage has happened. Soaking. All the diff oil has come out, and he's cooked the diff already. That is ruined. Melted. All the plastic diff case. Doesn't even look straight anymore. Never mind. So it was a little update. I have rebuilt the centre diff with some parts out of another car. I've put million weight oil in there because it looks like what was happening was the rears were gripping, the fronts were spinning like crazy, and that has just cooked the whole thing, causing the gears to get stuck in the plastic and then chewed up. So hopefully that will now be improved. I've also removed the standard shock absorbers and put some shorter ones on there, so hopefully we'll get a slightly better drive. You will find out in the next video, so stay tuned folks. Look forward to seeing you there. Do take care everybody. Stay safe. Peace.